Hi, I'm Maria, and I bring you crafts and creativity so you can create a beautiful home. I'm a full-time graphic designer, so I get to be creative all day long, and I love it. But you know what? It takes practice to work those creative muscles and keep them strong. Over the years, I cannot count how many times I've heard, "Oh, I wish I were creative." Well, I'm here to tell you, you are creative. We all are. Creativity is not something that just disappears after we pass grade school. Creativity is inside each and every one of us, and sometimes it just takes a little exercise to get it at peak performance. And that's why I'm here. Art is beautiful, art is fun, art is even therapeutic. Art is good for the soul, good for the mind, and you are creative. Every Friday, I bring you new crafts and home DIYs to work those creative muscles. We are not going for perfection here. We are going for doable, low-cost projects that you will be proud to display in your home. I share dupes of expensive home decor, budget-friendly DIYs, and inspiration that changes with the seasons, so you can always keep your home decor fresh and on trend. I even have a few little sidekicks to help me out. So are you ready to embrace your creativity, become part of this positive, creative community by subscribing? And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when I post my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.